A top story at this hour, Rajasthan is heading for a major cabinet rejig. In a meeting at Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's residence on Saturday, all ministers resigned ahead of the mega reshuffle. The expansion is being seen as a reconciliation between Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and Sachit Pilot camps. Rajasthan Congress Chief Govind Singh Dotasra has claimed that the rejig is actually a routine process. The swearing-in ceremony is likely to take place at 4 p.m. in Jaipur today. Pilot loyalist Hemaram Chaudhary, Brajendra Ola, Dipendra Singh, Ramesh Meena, Murlilal Meena are eyeing a cabinet berth. The cabinet expansion is also likely to see the inclusion of some BSP and independent MLAs. The cabinet expansion is being seen as a small victory for Pilot, who has led an unsuccessful campaign of revolt against Chief Minister Gehlot since 2020. All ministers, in fact, have resigned already because the cabinet reshuffle is expected as early as today. And this, remember, is being seen as a victory for Sachin Pilot, who has, in fact, been trying very hard to get his loyalists cabinet berths. And also, he's been leading a revolt, remember, against Ashok Gehlot since the year 2020. All right, now there are two camps clearly in Rajasthan cabinet. What are these two camps essentially? One is the Gehlot camp, and the probables in this camp are Mahendrajeet Singh Malviya. He, remember, is an MLA from the Gudamalani constituency. It's Hemaram, actually, Chaudhary, who is an MLA, is a six-time MLA, and he, of course, is from the Pilot camp, essentially. Brajendra Ola is an MLA from Jhunjhunu. He, again, is from Pilot's camp. The other leaders are Dipendra Singh Shekhawat. He's an MLA from Sri Madhopur. He again is a supporter of Sachin Pilot. He is expected to get a berth in the cabinet reshuffle. Ramesh Meena is an MLA from Sapotra. He again is from the Pilot camp. He's probable as well. Another person from Pilot's camp is Murari Lal Meena. He's an MLA from Dausa. He's expected to get a cabinet berth as well. And that is something that is expected. Devankur is getting asked more details on that story. He now joins us from Jaipur for more on that. Good morning, Dev. Finally, even in a small way, it does appear that Sachin Pilot is going to have his way as far as Rajasthan Congress is concerned. The Congress leadership, obviously, is trying very hard to douse the fire, given what they've seen happen in Madhya Pradesh and Punjab, isn't it?
Absolutely. Good morning, Sneha. Good morning to all our viewers. I can tell you that this is a small victory of sorts for Sachin Pilot. Pilot really wanted that some of his men get a look in, and that is what will be happening today. But one correction, Sneha, these are not probables anymore. These people will be sworn in today. The confirmed list has come out from the Congress camp. And the several names clearly indicate that 5 people will be from the Pilot camp who will be sworn in today. All the party MLAs will be meeting at the Pradesh Congress Committee office in Jaipur at 2 p.m. and thereafter they will be proceeding towards the Raj Bhavan. What we are given to understand is that at 4 p.m. today, the swearing-in ceremony can happen. Pilot really, is considered by the party high command, especially Priyanka Gandhi, as an asset, given the fact that the crucial assembly elections in Uttar Pradesh is there, and Pilot with his loyalists and with his crowd pulling abilities in amongst the Jats and the Gurjar community especially in the Western UP, Priyanka Gandhi really wants to use him to ensure that the Congress does get large crowds, and that is why we are given to understand that Priyanka Gandhi really pitched in and mentioned that Pilot should no longer be kept a pariah. He should no longer be treated as an outsider, and that is why what we will see today is that Pilot will have, in a way, it's a culmination of sorts for Sachin Pilot, with 5 of his men getting a look in. Sneha?
Thanks for getting us up to speed with that. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you as the story develops through the day. And they were saying that that's actually not the list of probables. It's certain that these men, in fact, that we just spelled out for you, will be getting a cabinet berth in the major rejig in the Rajasthan cabinet.